Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a French toast casserole. To make French toast for a crowd is a lot of work by the stove, and then, you're not chatting with everybody. So this is the better way to go about it. You cut up the bread, you put the custard over it, you bake it. You could even refrigerate it at that point and just stick it in the oven the next day. Comes out hot, ready to go for a crowd or not, because it's that good. And it's gonna be so easy to make, so delicious. Was inspired by this beat for this song. French toast casserole. Cut up your bread and coat it with the custard. French toast casserole. Easy to make in case you ever wondered. Yeah, it's gonna be easy. You can make it ahead if you want. Let's do this. First things first, get your 9x13 pan greased well with butter. Take your bread cubes from day-old bread and put them in your pan. Spread them out in your pan so it's pretty even. Add milk, eggs, brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, and salt. Whisk together until smooth. Pour your custard mixture over your bread cubes. Evenly as possible, but it's okay, it'll spread out. Gently press your bread cubes down. You want it to be coated nicely with that mixture. So we're gonna kind of press it into it, and we'll move the pan around a little bit too. Cover for at least 30 minutes, or this is when you can put it in the refrigerator overnight if you like. Before you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Melted butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and last for your topping is that salt. Mix together. Take your mixture and best you can. We're gonna spread this out in just a moment. Some dollops across the top. Spread it out best you can across the top here. Into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until it is puffed and golden brown. It got puffy. I mean, really puffy. Take a look. Oh, yum. Yum, 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 yum. It smells like French toast. It smells like a cinnamon roll. It just smells delicious. The great thing is you get to eat this right away. So let's dig in. Cut a piece out. You could also cut this into squares. Oh my. Sprinkle with a little confectioner sugar. Look at this French toast casserole. It is super hot right now, but I don't care because this smells fantastic and looks great. You could put fruit on the side, you can top it with maple syrup, but I'm gonna try it like it is, just with that confectioner sugar on top, so I can tell you what it tastes like. Here we go. Ooh, lots of steam. This is phenomenal. It might even be better than traditional French toast. It's got that crunch on top because of the topping, but the inside has that yummy, custardy softness, deliciousness that you expect in a French toast. This is fantastic. Maybe I won't share it. If I can make this French toast casserole for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, make this for your family and friends. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.